Finding the best non-toxic rice cooker can feel hard when you just want safe, clean rice for your family. The best non-toxic rice cooker uses stainless steel or ceramic instead of coated pots, so you avoid hidden chemicals and cook with peace of mind. I've tested a few in my own kitchen, and as someone who studies cookware safety and reviews appliances for US homes, I always look at materials, build quality, and long-term durability. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Aroma Select Stainless 3-Cup Rice Cooker. The Aroma Select Stainless Rice Cooker 3-cup/6-cup cooked is perfect if you want a coating-free inner pot that's durable, safe, and easy to clean. I love how simple it is to use. Just pour in the rice, add water, and press the one-touch lever. The automatic Keep Warm mode ensures your rice stays at the perfect temperature without having to watch it. Its compact size fits easily on any countertop, making it ideal for small kitchens or US apartments. It's versatile enough to cook oatmeal, soups, pasta, or even omelets. I also appreciated the bonus BPA-free spatula and measuring cup, which store conveniently in the handle. While it's not designed for very large batches, the 6-cup cooked capacity is perfect for small families or meal prep. Overall, this rice cooker combines safety, convenience, and reliability in a simple, compact design that makes everyday cooking effortless. Number 4. Buffalo Classic 10-Cup Stainless Steel Cooker. The Buffalo Classic Rice Cooker with clad stainless steel inner pot is perfect if you want a non-toxic cooking pot that's safe and durable. I really appreciated the even heating design, which ensures every grain cooks perfectly without hot spots. It handles white rice, brown rice, and congee beautifully, and the auto warm feature keeps rice ready for hours. Just avoid exceeding 4 hours to prevent burning. Cleanup is easy with the movable steam vent, and the included rice pottle and measuring cup make portioning simple. While it's larger than compact cookers, it fits well on most US countertops and is great for families who cook rice often. The inner pot feels solid and premium, giving confidence that it will last for years. Overall, this rice cooker balances safety, reliability, and convenience, making it a strong choice for anyone looking for a healthy, easy-to-clean cooker. Number 3. Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy 10-Cup Rice Cooker and Warmer. The Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy 10-Cup Rice Cooker and Warmer is a dream for anyone who loves perfectly cooked rice with minimal effort. Its Neuro Fuzzy technology adjusts temperature and cooking time automatically, so every batch comes out fluffy and delicious. I also appreciated the extended Keep Warm settings, which keep rice at the perfect temperature for hours, great for US families with busy schedules. Cooking options are versatile, from white rice and brown rice to porridge and sushi rice, making it easy to try new recipes or cook for gatherings. The spherical inner pan with stay-cool handles makes handling safe, and the detachable inner lid makes cleaning effortless. While it's a bit of an investment compared to basic rice cookers, the consistent results and premium build justify the price. This cooker fits up to 10 cups of cooked rice while taking less than a foot of countertop space, blending convenience, safety, and advanced technology beautifully. Number 2. Cuckoo Micom 6-Cup Rice Cooker Gray. The Cuckoo Micom Rice Cooker 6-Cup Uncooked/12-Cup Cooked is perfect if you want versatile cooking options that cover everything from white rice to oats and even baby food. I was impressed with how easy it is to cook large batches, up to 12 cups of rice, without worrying about uneven results. The Fuzzy Logic technology automatically adjusts time and temperature, giving consistently fluffy rice every time, which makes it ideal for busy families or anyone who wants reliable results. Cleanup is simple with the non-stick inner pot and removable lid, saving time in the kitchen. Quick rice mode and the auto clean feature are small touches that really add convenience. While it's a bit larger on the counter, its smart design keeps it manageable for most US kitchens. Overall, this rice cooker balances power, versatility, and ease, making it a standout choice for anyone serious about their rice. Number 1. GreenLife Rice Cooker PFAS-Free Ceramic Pot. The GreenLife rice cooker with removable PFAS-free ceramic nonstick is perfect if you're looking for a healthy ceramic nonstick option that truly delivers. I loved how easy it was to cook up to 6 cups of rice, plenty for family meals or small gatherings. Its compact, space-saving design fits neatly on my countertop without feeling bulky, which is great for US apartments or kitchens with limited space. Cooking is effortless thanks to the simple one-touch operation. I just flip the switch and my rice is ready without babysitting the pot. Cleanup is just as easy with removable dishwasher-safe parts that make it stress-free. The cool touch handles make transferring the cooker safe and comfortable. While it works wonderfully for rice and grains, I noticed it heats more slowly for denser items like steel-cut oats. Overall, this best non-toxic rice cooker balances safety, convenience, and consistent results beautifully, making it an ideal choice for anyone wanting worry-free meals. Final verdict. Personally, I recommend the GreenLife Rice Cooker PFAS-Free Ceramic Pot as the best overall choice. Its healthy ceramic nonstick interior, easy cleanup, and compact design make it perfect for daily use, especially if you want safe, worry-free cooking. For those looking for a more premium option with advanced features, I recommend the Cuckoo Micom 6-cup rice cooker gray. Its fuzzy logic technology and versatile cooking modes make it ideal for families or anyone who wants consistently fluffy rice with minimal effort. Both rice cookers are reliable, convenient, and built to last, so you can choose based on your kitchen space and needs. Check the description links for current prices and more details, and pick the rice cooker that fits your style and needs.